Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julez. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I did this really fun peachy spring look that I just recently posted on my IG. A lot of you guys liked the look and requested that I do a tutorial, so here I am. If you're interested in seeing how I did this, go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm taking this NYX Full Throttle eyeshadow palette and I'm going into this orange shade first. Since I do have my foundation and my eyebrows done already, we're gonna start with this eyeshadow and we're taking this first shade and working it into the crease as well as my outer corner. Now I'm going into the KKW Times Mario palette and I'm taking the shade Miami and I'm just gonna work that right onto my crease below that first shade that we used. Now I'm taking this shade Albanian and I'm gonna focus that mostly on my outer corner and I'm gonna take it into the crease slightly as well. Going back into this NYX palette, I'm taking this orange shade once again and I'm just gonna quickly blend everything out even more. Now I'm taking this MAC eyeshadow in the color Coppering and I'm going to put that right on my lid using my finger. Here I'm just using a flat shading brush by MAC in the number 242 and I'm just getting all the harder to reach areas. Yep, I'm going back into this palette and I'm using this color again and blending out even more. I'm also taking that same shade and placing that right on my lower lash line. Also smoke it out and just connect it to the shadow on the top. Taking the shade Albanian from this palette again, I'm also going to place that right on the lash line, and this time I'm using a smaller detailed brush. Without taking any more product on this brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out. For my eyeliner, I'm using this Curvitude liquid liner by Maybelline in black and I'm just going to create a winged liner. Here I'm just quickly curling my lashes and prepping them for mascara. Now I'm using my Full and Soft mascara and I'm just going to put some on my upper lashes to prep them for my falsies. For lashes, I'm taking these Ardell Wispies in the number 113 and these are one of my favorite lashes because they're super comfortable to wear and I think it's perfect for the daytime. Dang it, this side has a lot of glue on the lash line, so I'm just gonna use my mirror to try to dry it up. Just remember when you put your lashes on, try to wait a little bit for it to get tacky before you put them on. So I want my lashes a little bit more dramatic, so I'm using the Ardell individual lashes in the medium length and I'm just going to place them on the falsies. Also forgot to mention the lash glue that I love to use is the Duo Brush-on Adhesive. Now taking my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle, I'm going to go ahead and use it as inner corner highlight. Here I'm just putting on some mascara on my lower lash line, and I'm using the same one I was using before, which is the Full and Soft Mascara by Maybelline. And I'm also going to put some on the top just to mesh my falsies to my real lashes. For contour, I'm using the Physicians Formula Multicolored Bronzer. So I'm taking it and I'm contouring the perimeters of my face. So I'm doing the cheeks, a little bit on the jawline, around my forehead, also the sides of my nose. And I'm going to do the tip of my nose. And I like to contour a little bit below my lip just to kind of accentuate that area. I'm also taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just gonna bronze my face up even more. Now I'm taking my FitMe powder in 310, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. For blush, I'm taking Fleur Power by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm just going to work this right on the apples of my cheeks and kind of work it back slightly as well. I'm taking Soft and Gentle once again, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Now I'm taking this lip liner by Gerard Cosmetics in Melrose Place, and I'm gonna line my entire lip. Taking another Gerard Cosmetics lip liner, this time in Sugar and Spice, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a line on my lower lip and also on the borders of my lip just to kind of contour my lips. Here I'm just using some foundation, and I'm just gonna clean up around my lips. This part is optional, but here I'm just tight lining my upper waterline with the Almay pencil in black, and this is just gonna make my lashes look a little bit more fuller. Last, I'm taking my Morphe setting mist and just setting my makeup. So this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be posting a lot more content for you guys. I want to start incorporating some cooking maybe some vlogs. I'm not sure yet, but I also want to do more amazing giveaways for you guys. So stick around for that. And before I go, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to all of you for all the nice comments and all the support and the positive energy. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
First, I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is I'm living.
Ooh. NYX Full Throttle. Let me just have it open already. Dang it. Okay, now. Beat it up. You guys know I had to recurl my hair for this intro. It's still not easy recording yourself, really though. I'm not even kidding. Brain fart. Also, Also subscribe to my channel.